Hi, happy to see you again. This is 6/8 time signature rhythm exercise. Be aware that there are 6 quaver beats in each bar. You may clap your hands, tap on a solid surface or play with a percussive instrument. Are you ready? Before we continue, please consider to click like and subscribe button to support this channel. Now, let's take a look at triplet beat. Look at the difference on how the number of beat is written with the triplet in each bar. Make sure you consistently keep the tempo and play accordingly. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.